The Taos Hum, a low-frequency noise reported by residents near Taos, New Mexico. Characteristics described as a persistent, low-pitched sound resembling a hum or buzz. Wide perception, reported by a significant number of people in the area, but not everyone hears it. Possible causes. Theories range from industrial sources to natural phenomena like seismic activity or atmospheric conditions. Paranormal theories. Some suggest extraterrestrial origins or paranormal explanations, adding to the mystery. Scientific studies. Researchers have investigated the phenomenon, but definitive conclusions remain elusive. Impact. The constant noise can be a source of annoyance and distress for those affected. Community response. Local authorities and organizations have attempted to address residents' concerns and investigate the source. Global phenomenon. Similar mysterious hums have been reported in other parts of the world, adding to the intrigue. Ongoing mystery. Despite efforts to explain it, the Taos Hum continues to defy easy explanation, captivating both scientists and enthusiasts alike.